This has been the trip of flying. Another day of flying, but at least I got a really nice seat on this last flight before I get to Bali. Right room in the world, right by the door. So there's an accident. I get to be off the plane first, so that's pretty sweet. I finally made it to Bali after another 3 flights today from Tarakan. Let me show you my hotel. Come in the room. First thing you get is a beautiful bathroom. Nice shower, toilet, and then a nice humongous bed. It's very Hindu in its decor since Bali is very Hindu. Got a desk, got a TV, I'm watching Bourne, and having a supper of noodles and snacks that I brought back from Tarakan with me. I'm pretty wiped. It's like 9 o'clock at night. And I'm just going to have something to eat and basically go to bed so that I'm rested for the beach tomorrow. So today was another uneventful one, but it should get better again once I head on to Vietnam. So good night. See you tomorrow.